Welcome back to my channel ProSkill Academy. In this video, we shall solve the problem find the value of t in 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32. So let's solve this problem. While solving this problem, we shall use the indices formula a to the power m whole thing to the power n equals to a to the power m into n. So let me first take the equation which is given in the problem. 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32. What I will do is that I will take power 1 by t on both the side. So 2 to the power t whole thing to the power 1 by t equals to t to the power 32 whole thing to the power 1 by t. This would mean on the left hand side 2 to the power t into 1 by t equals to t to the power 32 into 1 by t. T will cancel out. This would give us 2 is equals to t to the power 32 by t. Now I will take power of 1 by 32 on both the side. This would give me 2 to the power 1 by 32 equals to t to the power 32 by t whole thing to the power 1 by 32. This would mean 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 32 equals to t to the power 32 by t into 1 by 32. Now the value 1 can be written as 2 by 2, 4 by 4 or 8 by 8 where numerator and denominator are equal. But let me just solve the right hand side first. So I'll keep the left hand side as it is 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 32. This 32 and 32 will get cancelled out. Hence the right hand side will become t to the power 1 by t. Now this one, as I said, can be written as 2 to the power 2 by 2 into 1 by 32 equals to t to the power 1 by t. This can further be simplified as 2 square into 1 by 32 into 2 equals to t to the power 1 by t. 2 square is nothing but 4 and 32 into 2 is 64. So I can write 4 to the power 1 by 64 equals to t to the power 1 by t. Again I will do the same thing. 4 to the power 1 into 1 by 64 equals to t to the power 1 by t. 1 can be written as 2 by 2 into 1 by 64 equals to t to the power 1 by t. 4 square is nothing but 16 and 2 into 64 would become 128. Hence 16 to the power 128 equals to t to the power 1 by t. We'll do one more time the same thing. 16 to the power 2 by 2 into 1 by 128 equals to t to the power 1 by t. 16 square is nothing but 256 and this 2 into 1 by 28, I can just write it down like this, equals to t to the power 1 by t. 256 to the power, then this 2 into 128 can be written as 256 and 2 to the power 1 by 256 equals to t to the power 1 by t. From this it is clear that the value of t is nothing but 256. Let us verify this by taking the original expression which is there in the question. So I will write down again 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32, and according to our solution the value of t is 256, hence I can write 2 to the power 256 equals to 256 to the power 32. 2 to the power 256 equals to, now this 256 on the right hand side can be written as 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 32. 2 to the power 256 equals to 2 to the power 8 holding to the power 32 can be written as 2 to the power 8 into 32. 2 to the power 256 equals to 8 into 2 is 16. So I'll write 6 of that. 8 to the power 3, 8 into 3 is 24, and 1 is coming as the leftover portion from 16, which is nothing but 256, and this 2 which is there. Here you can see that LHS is equals to RHS. This proves that our solution T is equals to 256 is the correct answer for the problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.